Hello, today we'll be learning about the text box tool in our Google Classroom. Whenever you have a text box, all you have to do is click on it and start typing. However, if there is no text box, all you have to do is click here where it says text box in the little T. After you click on that, you will have this little plus sign come up. All you have to do is click and drag in order to create your text box. You can make it as big or as small as you want. After you do that, you may start typing. When you do that, you can also change the size, the color, or the way that the letters look, called the font. What you have to do is click and drag your cursor to highlight the word. After you have done that, what you have to do is click here at the top where it says font. You will click here on this little triangle. After you do that, you will see that there are a lot of different fonts to choose from. You will choose the font that you think looks best, such as this one. After you do that, if you need to make your word bigger or smaller, you may do the same thing. Click on it, use your cursor to drag and highlight the word, and after you do that, you will go here where there is a number and it's called the font size. You will either click on the plus button to make the word bigger or the minus button to make the word smaller. After you do that, you also have the choice to change the color of your word. What you have to do is click and drag your cursor to highlight your word, and then go here to the A that has a little line at the bottom. It's called text color. You will click on the text color and you will find that there are many colors to choose from. Choose the color that you would like to use into your presentation. Now we can see that the color has changed. Sometimes your teacher may ask you to make the word a bold word. What you have to do is click here where it says bold. After clicking on it, your word will become bolded. Now, at times, your teacher may ask you to italicize your word. All you have to do is click right here. Now, make sure that if both of them are checked, you click on the one that you do not want and always keep the one that you want clicked in yellow. After we do that, if your teacher says that she may want your word underlined, what you have to do is click here on the underline. Now remember to unclick the italics button or the other buttons that you have clicked. Now your word has an underline at the bottom. Now we have learned how to use the text box tool. Remember, you will need to always click, drag, and highlight the word in order to change the font, the size, or the color. I hope this has helped. Thank you and have a great day.